Hello and welcome to the Herron Todd Agribusiness Update for August, part of our Australia Property Month in Review. Our agribusiness teams are seeing a mixed but increasingly positive seasonal outlook across Australia, with conditions improving in some of the key cropping and grazing regions. In New South Wales, useful rainfall has improved conditions across the northern cropping belt, with wheat, barley and chickpeas now well established. Further south, however, conditions remain more challenging, with moisture levels still below what's needed for a strong finish to the season. The improved seasonal break is also supporting grazing markets across the Tablelands and Central West, with grass and fodder growth improving significantly. This, combined with continued strength in livestock markets, is driving increased interest in both mixed farming and straight grazing operations. Looking across the regions, in Victoria, the wheat belt has had one of its strongest starts in years, with crops well established and expectations of above average yields. However, rising diesel and fuel costs are making buyers increasingly price sensitive. In Western Australia, the production outlook has improved significantly with the potential for another high or possibly record crop. Barley demand is particularly strong, while the key risks remain a hotter, drier spring and frost. Across southern New South Wales, irrigation is providing some insulation from the drier conditions, with increased activity in the temporary water market as producers manage spring production risk. From a property market perspective, buyers remain highly selective. Across New South Wales, sales activity has slowed and funding has become more cautious, while in Victoria, higher production costs are contributing to longer selling periods and greater negotiation around vendor expectations. The overall message is that seasonal conditions are improving, but the market is increasingly focused on quality, productivity, water security and underlying farm economics. Spring rainfall will be critical and likely to determine how much of the current production potential is realised. To read the full report, download the August edition of the Herron Todd Australia Property Month in Review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.